Good morning, Stanwood Middle School. Today is Wednesday, September 30th, 2020. I'm Miss Christmas Harris, and here are your morning announcements. It's here, Spartans. It is the last day of the month, and it is the last day for our ultimate challenge. The goal is that tomorrow morning, when the new knowledge drops, you wake up with a clean, fresh slate. So that means by tonight's deadline, turn in any and all missing work from the month of September. I know you can do it. We believe in you. Ask us for help if you need it. That's right. Today is Asynchronous Wednesday. So reminder, check your email, check your class of Google Classroom, do the daily check-in, watch these morning announcements, check your other Google Classrooms, get to work, check in with your teachers this morning in their office hours if you need help. They all have them. You can all go meet with them. And finally, today we have a class meeting only during class meeting times. Don't forget that 6th grade meets today at 11:15, 7th grade meets at 12:15, and 8th grade meets at 1:15. Office hours and class meeting are what you are doing today. Don't forget that the Davis Team Program has virtual homework help if you need it. Be sure to call the number at the bottom of the flyer, which you can find in your Google Classroom. Our yearbook needs your help. That information is also in your Google Classroom. They're looking for your summer pics and your first day of school pics. Today's kindness challenge is a challenging one, thus the challenge in the title. You're going to send a person that you don't always agree with a text or call them that sounds something like this. I know we differ in our perspective of blank, but I do appreciate how blank challenges me to blank. It's good to be challenged, and it's good to acknowledge those challenges along the way. This is a great thing for you all to try today for 10 minutes. Happy birthday today to Dayton B. Today is also our ASB elections, and while we will also do a lesson during our class meeting, we will have ASB elections today. We will listen to their speeches, and as soon as the speeches are over, I will drop the ballot in the chat for you to open and be able to vote. Here are your candidates. For Secretary, Grace Pacheco. For Treasurer, Addison Weaver and Merritt Knowlton. For ASB Vice President, Haley Latore, Amron Fox, and Ava Fast. And running for president, Hayden Pappas and Layla Fusco. Again, we will be voting today during the class meeting. The only way you can get the ballot is if you come to the class meeting today. Don't forget to always give us a call or email us if you need any help. We are here for you, and we will get back to you as soon as we can. This week's character dare was to ask 3 people over the next few days what's one way you could be more like your being word to them today. It's the last day. Hope you did it. And finally, Spartans, here are your words of wisdom on this first Spartan challenge of the month having to do with your work. They tie in together. Ralph Waldo Emerson, a great American poet and thinker, tells us, thoughts are things. More than 100 years later, science now tells us that our thoughts really do create changes in the human body, and psychologists tell us that our thinking affects our emotions and our moods. So the question of the day comes from a yogi from India. In you, which is stronger, success thoughts or failure thoughts? What's your answer? Let's do our best to create a successful day by focusing on successful and positive thoughts. And your successful thought for the day is that you can do hard things and get all of your work from September done. With something to think about, this is Miss Christmas Harris reminding you the choices you make today shape your world tomorrow. That's it for your morning announcements. Get all your work done today, Spartans. I know you can do it. We'll talk to you later and see you in one of your class meetings. Have a great day, Spartans.